how to turn your boring looking Android home screen to look something like this. Alright, so first of all, go ahead and open up your Play Store and you need to download this app called Poco Launcher. Okay, so after you have opened up the app, simply agree to the terms and conditions of this app and click on OK, click on allow. And then if you get a notification something like this, you simply want to click on OK, and then it will ask to select this app as the default home app, so just go ahead and select that. And now you will see that the home screen of your phone has been changed. Simply open up the app, go to backgrounds, and you can select the light or the dark mode. In this case, I'm gonna go for dark mode, and also I'm gonna change the transparency to around 75% and click on apply. And then you can go for the customize layout, and from there you can change the size of the icons and also how much of icons to show in a one row. And then you can go up to manage app categories, and from there you can add categories to your app drawer, and also you can delete categories from the app drawer. And now we can go for the icon pack. So after you are here, simply click on add more, and then it will load up Play Store in your phone. And from there, all you need to do is you can select a app that has some icons or icons that you are looking for. So as example, I have selected this app. This app gives you some minimal white stroke going on, so if you like that type of icons, you can select that app. So after you have selected the app, you can simply install this app. After you have opened up the app, you can get a preview of the icons that you have selected. And now you can simply open up the Poco Launcher and go to icon pack, and there you will see the app that you have just installed. Simply select that and click on apply. After you have applied that, you will see that your icons has been changed to the icons that you have selected. And also keep in mind, not all the apps will be changed because sometimes there won't be the icons in the icon pack, so just keep that in mind, so there won't be all the icons. And now we can actually customize the widgets. So long click on the home screen of your phone and you can select widgets from there, and now you can add a default widget that your phone comes with, and you can add that to your home screen. And if you did not find a cool widget, you can simply open up Play Store and can simply search for widgets app or something like that, and you can install a custom widget from the Play Store if you want to customize your phone further on. And then we can select the wallpaper, so you can simply go up to Google or any other website and you can download an image to your phone, and you can simply select that image and you can set that as your home screen or your lock screen or the both. You can simply change the wallpaper. That is pretty much the easiest part. And then you will have a phone something like this. As you guys can see, this is pretty much the end result going to look like. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace.